Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we are looking at some partly sunny skies out there this morning that are expected to continue through the afternoon. We'll deal with some cloudiness at the low levels as we go through the next several hours today. And we'll see more sunshine as we get into the weekend. I want to take a look here at our current surface analysis. You can see that frontal boundary that has been draped across the mid-Atlantic region continues to be very close to the Wallops region this morning, just off to our south. And again, it has been fairly stationary throughout the last several days. Most of that shower activity has been focusing to the south of the frontal boundary, so we have remained dry here at Wallops over the last couple of days, and we are continuing to see that dry forecast for the next couple of days before we get a little bit of a better chance as we get into the middle of next week. But certainly still seeing that humidity in here with that lower level moisture and some very warm temperatures as well. We'll see those heat index values close to 100 degrees for the next few days as we still see those hot and humid conditions in the area. We'll take a look here at our visible satellite imagery. You can see we have had some low cloudiness and fog in the region this morning. Most of that has been from about Wallops to the north. We've been kind of right on the edge of seeing that low cloudiness here at Wallops. South of our region has seen more sunshine this morning. North of our region has been kind of socked in with the low clouds and fog this morning. But we are seeing that breaking up throughout the entire Delmarva Peninsula area this morning, and we are going to continue to see just a little bit of sunshine peeking through as we go through the next several hours here today. I want to look here at our short-range model and what we can expect as we go throughout the next several hours here today for your Friday and into your weekend. Looking at forecast for today, showing most of that activity off to our south as we go to around the noontime hour. You can see really nothing to be concerned with here at Wallops as far as shower and thunderstorm activity, but we do see some showers and thunderstorms to the west of the Chesapeake Bay and then off the Outer Banks as well. So we go into the afternoon and evening hours. You can see things remaining quiet across the Delmarva with all of that activity mostly focused to our south as we go throughout the day today. Overnight tonight, we'll likely see those low clouds and fog redevelop across the region and seeing some reduced visibilities at times, especially after midnight tonight. So if you are out and about this evening into the early morning hours of Saturday, do keep an eye on that. Much like last night, we will see the potential for some patchy fog. As we go through the day on Saturday, we're going to see just a little bit of activity off to our west, potentially during the afternoon off to our north and west, but it looks like here on the peninsula will remain dry once again for Saturday, with more sunshine expected today, on Saturday than what we will see today. And then as we go into the day on Sunday, again, dry weather expected here at Wallops, with most of your shower activity focused far off to the south in association with that frontal boundary. Now as we go into next week, looking here at the extended range model, in Monday into Tuesday, things will change a bit as we'll see an upper level trough begin to dig across the Great Lakes region and providing us with a little bit more forcing for some of these showers that potentially could develop Tuesday into Wednesday. So I think Monday will likely remain dry, but as we get into the day on Tuesday, you can see here on the model a lot more convection beginning to pop across the region, especially off to our north and west, but certainly seeing the potential for some scattered showers and thunderstorms here at Wallops on Tuesday and on into Wednesday, as we may even see an area of low pressure develop across the southeast states, moving toward the north and providing us with a little bit more moisture and rain chances on into your Wednesday. So it does look like we will see some better chances by the middle of next week for seeing some showers and thunderstorms across the region. We've seen a little bit of a stretch of dry weather here for the last couple of days and expecting that to continue on into the weekend, but looks like that may come to an end as we go into the middle of next week. So looking at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, freezing level at 15,100 feet, and our winds generally out of a southeasterly direction at the low levels of the atmosphere, coming more westerly in direction as we get up above 5,000 feet. We are seeing some very light winds aloft, looking at only about 2 knots of wind at the 3,000 foot level, and the highest we can find in the first 25,000 feet of the atmosphere from our balloon was at the 25,000 foot level, where we see 28 knots out of the west. So looking at the next 24 hours and what we can expect here, again, pretty warm and muggy day for us, partly sunny skies. We'll get up to a high of 87 degrees. Looks like, again, there's chances for any showers or thunderstorms across the Wallops region looking very low today, less than 10%. Then as we go into the evening hours tonight, our only hazards to be concerned with over the next 24 hours will be those low cloud ceilings and reduced visibilities. After midnight, we'll see a better chance of seeing those ceilings below 500 feet. Overnight tonight, expecting those areas of low cloudiness and fog with a low temperature of 74 degrees. Now for the next 7 days, again, not looking at very good chances for precipitation through the weekend. We should see a pretty typical August weekend with those high humidity values and temperatures right around 90 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Could see an isolated shower or thunderstorm to our west and to our south. Looks like the best chances for those to occur closer to that stalled out frontal boundary, but we're looking at very limited chances here for precipitation on through the day on Sunday and even into Monday. Looking at dry weather expected with a high of 90 degrees under partly cloudy skies. And then as we go into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week, that's when we'll see our increased chances. Looking at about a 40% chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday and on Wednesday, with highs right around that 90 degree mark. And then on Thursday, we'll still see some isolated shower potential with about a 20% chance of precipitation here at Wallops, looking at a high on Thursday of 89 degrees. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. Hope everybody has a nice weekend. We'll be back again Monday morning with an 8:15 briefing and a look at your extended forecast at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.